If you want to up your mood and emotions, start by improving your gut health. And improving your gut health starts by choosing healthy food alternatives with food-grade essential oils. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these mini pecan tarts. And I've included coconut flour for the base, golden Montfort allulose for the sweetener, which is no calorie and low glycemic, never erythritol. It's harsh on your gut. And ginger essential oil, which is great for gut health and digestion. These mini pecan tarts are gluten-free, sugar-free, healthy holiday treats, super tasty, and great choice for your gut and emotions. Stick around to the end and download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog Swap List. Then like and subscribe. And please ask your questions in the comments below. Healthy is simple.